today I'm going to share with you how to make a napkin holder or a kitchen towel holder with resin. And I'm using these molds that have an ocean sort of surface, one circle, one rectangle, and I'm going to use this gold leaf, glitter, and resin. It's nice and easy. If you can't find it in the market, you can always make it. So if you like this, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. And to see, for example, how I sell this in my home, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Make We Inspire. So right now I'm going to mix up my resin. I wear my mask and then I come back and show you how we're doing this. For this, we are going to demold first. Look at that. So this is the effect we want. That's why we're not using this side. And so I'm wondering, should I add a gold trim on this side, or should it stay? I think it looks lovely the way you can see this gold through. I won't put a gold trim here because it will hide this effect. So, and I like the fact that it's not too solid, so when it's on the counter, it's not, what do I say? It's not, what do I say? It still gives it the sense of space. All right, let's demold this. Look at that. Ooh. Let's demold this. Look at that. Let me do this against a little darker surface. You can see the texture. You may not see it so well because we didn't put a very contrasting color, but look at the way effect at the back. I love that in its plainness, it's not plain, it's simple. And I think you will see where I'm going to, when styling, that it actually then, it might look bulky, but when it's on the surface, because it has a translucent look, that it doesn't steal the show, that it just blends in but still has some texture and some color, and also introduces a gold in the kitchen. So I'll demold the napkin holder and then show you how they look when they are styled. If you like this, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. And if you'd like to see how I style this, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Make Me Inspires. God bless you, Baraka. Till I see you on my next video.